Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome redefines luxury touring with its ultra-modern German engineering and hotel-style interiors. For wealthy, tech-savvy tourists, this RV redefines comfortable, elegant travel. Performance and exterior design. Modern elegance graces the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome's exterior. The aerodynamic body's lighting three-pointed star insignia, sculpted front fascia, and clean lines show its heritage. Large panoramic windows and adaptive LED digital light headlamps enhance landscape views. High-torque 3.0-liter inline 6-turbo diesel engine with 48V mild hybrid system provide efficiency and quick responsiveness. Plug-in hybrids provide limited all-electric city access. The 9G Tronic automatic transmission accelerates smoothly, and the Airmatic air suspension provides a comfortable ride on any route. Details, interior design, elegant materials, and innovative design decorate the motorhome's inside. Natural walnut wood, polished metal accents, and hand-finished Napa leather decorate the open living room. You can set any mood with 64-color ambient LED lights. A huge lounge room has Burmester 3D surround sound, a retractable entertainment console with a 55-inch UHD display, and power-adjustable seating that converts into a queen-size bed. Dining kitchen gourmet kitchens have flush-mounted induction stoves. Combining microwave and convection oven, full-size freezer-equipped smart fridge. Gorgeous lit glass cabinets, pull-out sprayer stainless steel sink. The neighboring eating space has 4 cushioned benches and an expanded table. Personal suite, bath, a rainfall shower, frameless glass doors, a backlit anti-fog mirror, heated tile floors, and high-quality brushed steel fixtures make the bathroom feel like a spa. Private sleeping suites provide memory foam, king-size beds, reading lamps, and large wardrobes. Tech and networking, this Mercedes-Benz Motorhome's next-generation MBEX includes 2 12.8-inch OLEDs, natural language voice assistant navigation using satellite pictures in real time, remote temperature, lighting, and appliance management with smart home integration, fast Wi-Fi and 5G driver safety assistance, advanced driver assistance technology making long-distance travel easier, Distronic adaptive cruise control, a helpful guide, evasion of steering 360-degree 3D, camera auto parking pilot, stabilizing crosswind efficiency and sustainability, solar panels on the roof power interior systems, and a hybrid powertrain and regenerative brakes save gasoline and pollutants. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome boasts superior performance, craftsmanship, and innovation, making it the pinnacle of luxury mobility. Its design, utility, and tranquil comfort make it ideal for Europe's major highways or lonely seaside excursions.